Ever been crammed around a tiny Nintendo Switch screen with friends trying to play Mario Kart? What if I told you that the iPad sitting in your bag could be the perfect portable gaming monitor for your Switch? I set up this game-changing hack on a recent family trip and it completely transformed our multiplayer gaming sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your iPad into the perfect portable monitor for your Nintendo Switch in just a few minutes. But wait until you see how responsive the gameplay is. Even fast-paced multiplayer games like Mario Kart run with practically zero noticeable lag. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm David, and if you're new here, I help gamers and tech enthusiasts make smarter choices with in-depth reviews, hands-on tutorials, and expert tips, so you get the best gear and gaming experience possible. If you're thinking about trying this iPad setup yourself, I've included all the links to the gear I use in the description below. So recently, I was on this epic family trip where 3 families, including mine, all shared one beach house. And you can imagine the chaos with just one TV between all of us. The kids wanted cartoons, the adults were fighting over which movie to watch, and the sports fans needed their games. With so many people and just one screen, getting any game time on the TV was basically impossible. That's when I pulled out my Nintendo Switch and iPad and figured out this incredible setup that let us have our own gaming station in the corner while everyone else battled for the remote. We had 4 of us playing Mario Kart together on the iPad screen, and it was so much better than crowding around the tiny Switch display. Let me show you exactly how I made it work. To begin with, we're going to open up the App Store, hit search, and type in Genki Studio. Here you'll find the app with the red icon. Go ahead and install this and open it. Allow access to the camera. A page will pop up with some information, including a list of compatible iPad models. I think the one I'm using is a 3rd gen 12.9 inch. Now that we have the app installed, we can plug everything in. Here I have the Genki ShadowCast 2, which is a HDMI capture card with ultra low latency that has USB-C on one end and HDMI on the other end. I also have the Genki Convert Dock 2, which is a super handy all-in-one charger and portable dock you can use with the Steam Deck or Nintendo Switch like I'm doing in this video. First, I connect the ShadowCast 2 capture card to the HDMI of the dock. Then plug the USB-C on the dock to the Nintendo Switch, and the USB-C on the capture card to the iPad. Once you plug the dock into the power outlet, the Switch displays on the iPad. If it doesn't right away, just press the standby button off and back on and it should appear. I can't believe how low the latency is with this capture card and dock setup. What's really great about this is you can take some controllers with you traveling and enjoy some local co-op or multiplayer gaming around the larger screen rather than trying to use the inbuilt Nintendo Switch display. We had 4 of us on here playing Mario Kart earlier, and as you can imagine, it was way easier using this display than the Nintendo Switches. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, please go ahead and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.